Okay, guys, so I am going to walk you through with some get response features and what you can actually get when you actually sign up with this program that can help you make some sales online. So Great Response, man, is actually a great platform for you that you can be able to make some money online. So you can just, since I've been trying to get my link, it's still a little bit, maybe it's still screening me or anything like that. But as for now, I'm going to show you how you can actually make some money and see all the features inside and the pricing and what you can actually get out of this affiliate program, man. So I mean, it's actually like a page. You can create some landing page, you can create some marketing, you can create a lot, man. Some Facebook ads, everything is all inside here. So I am going to show you what you can actually get. So I'm going to see you come on to all these features, and then you can create some email marketing, email creator. So you can just create your own thing from scratch and how you would like it to be and all of that. And then you can come here. This is an autoresponder, email analytics, list management, transactional emails, and then you can even have some funnels, man, some sales funnels, lead magnet funnels. This man has a lot, and you can come here and create a landing page for all your affiliate marketing. Whatever you do on affiliate marketing, a landing page is one of those essential things that you need. And then marketing, automation, webinars, sign up forms, paid ads, so you can get some Facebook ads, social ads creators, man. This has a lot of stuff that you can actually do with it. So let's come and see on the pricing. How does the pricing actually work? So we're going to check that one out and then see what you can actually be able to pay with Get Response. And so here are all the pricing. I mean, for just $15 a month, man, that's a lot. So that's at least as a start up. You can get that one. Okay, let me just remove myself here so that you can see more of this. All right. Okay, so as you can see here, only $15 a month. That's a lot as a trial run. And then you can see how this is actually going to help you make some money. And then you can come on to the plus one. That's only $49 a month, man. And then you get all of that. You can see there. So you have to at least come and look at these and look at these ones and look at all of these. You can choose which one you would like to sign up with, and then you can actually get started, man, and making money. And then you can see, and then you can just look around the internet and how you can actually promote your affiliate link or anything like that. But the most important thing, you just have to get this program, man. And that's it for me, guys, for now. So I am going to the last thing that I would like you, man, to at least do, you just have to like my channel and then subscribe if you haven't already. And I really do appreciate you watching. So I will see you on the next one, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day or night if you're about to sleep. And thanks for watching again. Really appreciate it. Bye.